Ooh. Ooh. Konti lang nagawa ko. Sorry. This is my stuff currently. And, yeah. Makatapos ko lang mag-ready. And, I'm going to, ew, what the hell? Look at the cinnamon. Hold on. Let's go. Look at that. They look so good. Look. This one's the biggest one, though. Okay, well, now my hand looks like it's like this. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's working now. Andito na kami. Yay! We did not have breakfast. So, gutom na kami sobra. Lalo na yan. Especially this boy. Dami na ng pera lang.
Mawawala na ng pera na dahil sa akin.
Sige lang.
How are you?
Watching.
Get the hell off mo.
Hindi wag. Ah. Sa akin yun.
Tulala naman. Solve na siya for this day. Ang dami niya. See you guys.
Hindi mo malamig. Hindi mo malamig. Mami, hindi mo malamig, di ba?
Hindi naman.
Kaya mo yan.
Hello guys. Here we go again.
Si Mami, oh. Ang cute na outfit niya. Ay, si Daddy, oh. Mag-isa. Oh, I like this one.
Ito yung blue eyes.
Yes.
Blue eyes. Eyes. I-C-E.
Tignan ilong ko.
Yung tinig mo, malamig na yung...
Hi, Tito.
Hi, tita. Nagmumuni-muni sa
Malalim ang iniisip.
malalim yung inisip. Hindi na maka-on-time. Hindi daw naka-on-time. Ay, hindi naka-time. Hindi siya naka-time.
Careful. Careful.
Hawak lang. Lamig. Hindi.
Say, ah.
Press the button. Oh, oh.
Is that you?
Yeah, that's my turn.
You start? Yeah. Right.
Eh.
That's Archie's favorite song.
You sing it while you play it.
Ang cute. Ang cute.
Sabi niya,
Ganda!
waving. Paano? Wave?
See the view.
Isa pa lang to sa maraming bag. It's so nice. Very, you know. Where? Wait, where are we walking to?
We're walking to Peckinside.
Hey. Oh. They're carrying everything because I don't want to. I don't think you can see it in the video. It is very cold. I'm not running. Ain't no way I'm running. It feels real.
I will get you.
We'll play bingo. Nakatuto naman ito magas. Ito.
No!
By the face.
Kasi di pa gusto mo may hater eh. I will second voice to it.
Hindi ka nang marunong sumayaw. Sample, sample, sample. Are you doing a vlog again?
Yeah.
Let's end it. Ay, may sounds pa talaga. Parang sa jackpot. Hi, representative, guys.
Ano ba yan?
Para po walang
Cross-check
dayaan.
na po yung bingo card.
Nakapagod po lahat. Oo, live po tayo ngayon sa Facebook.
4250.
Grabe. Boses na panalong bingo. Sayo, sayo.
Hey!
Para sa bingo.
Ilan yun?
Ngayon na pupuntahan ng $20.
This is our room. Yes! Doon ako, wala akong pakils. Dito ako. This is my one. Bottom bunk. Kasi nakakatamad tumayo. Yes! Chico na!
Kahit di sila marunong, basta mag-enjoy sila sa
Hi guys. Bakit ka? Paano ba? Ikot ka lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nasaan na tayo?
Taste test. Mount Ruha Payo, and I want to taste test this snow.
Hindi ko magawa yung heart. Lala, parang ano. Okay. Okay na. Thank you so much. Bakit may gusto ka sabihin?
Wala. Baka meron ka gustong sabihin.
Shoutout po dun sa Medjok. Bye.
Si Happy Valley, kanya-kanya siya. May adults and may youths. So, dalawang youths yung sa'yo.
Tapos dalawa ka.
Wala. Masasama ka talaga. This is my third time, but I'm very tired, so I'm gonna take a break. And my feet hurt, so yeah. And I think my mom wants to get a turn, so yay!
Eating Mamiya, the hot water game.
Tapos na po. It is 2:25
Wala
na.
ako picture.
Wala.
Bye-bye. Ano, we're...
Hindi, gondola naman.
Gondola muna.
Kasi kakain na daw. Ito si Tita Hani. Ayan, ayan.
Nag-enjoy ka ba, Tita Hani, sa ano mo?
Ay, oo naman. Nag-enjoy ba yung snow sa akin?
Bakit tumatawa si ano? Anong ibig niya sabihin?
Free entertainment daw ako.
Yes.
Ganyan talaga.
Actually.
Ganyan din kami nung...
Nakaisa ka, Tita?
Kaya...
Ay!
Mga anak mo ba to? Tinatawaran yung nanay.
Sama ng
Finish
ugali
na ako
mo.
kanina.
Kanina ka pa.
Ayaw mo nun, pinupush ka nila.
Eh.
Parang gusto talaga nilang mabalikan.
Ikaw, Tolik.
Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Yes.
Babalik ka pa ba?
Babalik ako kung libre sa susunod.
Tay tayo dyan, wala na libre ngayon, Tolik.
Pero worth lahat.
Nag-enjoy ka?
How's the first time ang
Mami,
Ate Biang?
yung dalawang tukod, nasaan? Nakaimapan yung
Uy! Uy, nagawa. Ay. Uy, ano?
Hello, vlog.
I'll go.
This is my first time going in Gondola.
It's my
So, bear
second
with
time
me.
that I'm here in the
And this is
cable
my
car.
pogi anak na nawala yung cellphone niya. And Tito Eric is vlogging too.
Talon, dun ka!
Kalam naman kasama sa photo squeezing.
Ooh. Lemon chicken. I know, I don't want it. Change mine. Sorry.
Just put those discounts on for you, so wedges and the chips are half price.
Price is salty. Very. But I like salty. I love salty.
Is that good?
May pinapsin nila.
Ito yung labas. Ito siya. Oh.
Come on, Makon. Close the door, please.
Hindi man Dragon Ball eh.
Close the door, yun na. Close the door. Close the door.
Elsa.
Please, close the door, Makon. Makon, close
Dapat
the door.
may song.
Ayan, close.
Ay!
The last airbender.
Wala man eh. Ayaw magalaw.
Walang angel.
Walang angel.
wings. Hey guys, I got a piece of that.
Tapos na po kami.
Bye, bye.
Bye na ka.
It's enjoyable. Super
Walang...
fun. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Bye.
Ate, sisinta dyan. Yung toyo kagabi,
Hindi ko pilitin kasi.
Ilang cards yan? Ilang cards yan? Galing naman.
15. 1-5. Oh, you have 15.
Cause why am I so red?
Ate Andeng dati, nung maliit, di ba ganyan sila ni Ate Biang noon?
Where my daughter?
No hangover. Oh, yun! Look at her hair.
Colleagues here.
Nasa tayo, Daddy?
Nasa Sunday market tayo.
Yes.
Naghahanap si Mami ng food. Anong...
Yung mga chicks.